Hello there, it's your musical guide. Today, I'll be teaching you how to create a heartwarming song for free. This will be a step-by-step guide as we come up with a song dedicated to your loved one. Creating music can be tough, especially when you want to express how much someone means to you. You may have a story that you aspire to become a song. Today, we're going to use Coze.ai and Suno.ai to turn that narrative into a melodious track. Step 1. The first thing we do is going over to Coze.ai to craft a custom song lyric generator. We start by heading over to Coze.ai. Once there, we initiate the process by clicking on Create Bot. We're given an opportunity to name our bot, so we decide on a name that suits its purpose, Lyric Generation Robot. To add some clarity about its function, we briefly describe the bot's function. Next, we are prompted to generate an avatar for our new bot, which we confirm once we are satisfied with how it portrays our bot. At this point, we've successfully created our very own song lyric bot. For the bot to generate lyrics, it needs a bit more information from us. In the prompt box, we inform our lyric generation robot what we'd like it to do, and then we optimize the prompt with a click on the Optimize button. Lastly, we start to add some personal touches. We input the story of our first meeting and moments spent together, as well as our hopes and dreams for the future. After a final click on the Generate button, Coze.ai transforms our story into captivating lyrics, creating a magical musical representation of our journey. Step 2. The second step involves getting the lyrics we've just crafted and inputting those into Suno.ai for music generation. Suno.ai gives us a variety of musical customization options. We choose a gentle and romantic tune that matches the feelings in our lyrics. After pasting the lyrics and pressing the Generate button, Suno.ai creates a lovely melody that aligns with our story. Regardless of whether you have a musical background, as long as you're willing to experiment and innovate, you can create your music.
Just a simple meet on a campus lane, in your car with melodies. Forgot all my pain. The engine hums and your profile shines. In that single instant our lives intertwined. My heart was dancing, can't you see? 3 endless nights of black and white TV, conversing about the future, tucked in the night. Your love wrapped around me, oh so tight. Peter Jane, you are my dream. I set a life together, forever ahead. No matter where, no matter the scheme, walking with you is my lifelong dream. Just a simple meet on a campus lane, in your car with melodies. Forgot all my pain. The engine hums and your profile shines. In that single instant our lives intertwined. My heart was dancing, can't you see? 3 endless nights of black and white TV, conversing about the future, tucked in the night. Your love wrapped around me, oh so tight. Peter J, you are my dream. I set a life together, forever ahead. No matter the scheme, walking with you is my lifelong dream. You're heading to HSBC, your past right by your side. I study in soft moonlight. Nights at the Marriott engraved in my soul. With every tick of the clock we share a goal. Across the ocean, but love knows no bound. Sydney smiles, but I feel your sound. A year apart, still holding on, waiting for the dawn. The yearning strong. Peter J, you are my dream. I wait no matter the distance, no matter the fate. the beacon in my life stream. Living my days is my lifelong dream. Living my days is my lifelong dream.
I hope this video could serve as a starting point for your musical journey. Thank you for tuning in. Until next time.